Episode 2 of my meal prep sharing series. As someone who goes to gym 5 days a week and who cannot stand any bland food, I'm somebody who can eat sandwiches any day and every day of the week. So this chicken prep is specifically for sandwiches. I'm not saying that you cannot use this chicken for anything else, but trust me, if you love sandwiches, you're gonna love this chicken. I'm using chicken breast here. You can use chicken thigh. I don't like dark meat, so I always use chicken breast. And I'm just cutting it in a very fancy way. You don't need to do that. You can just cut it into small cubes as well. The whole point of cutting chicken in this way is that the marinade needs to go everywhere inside the meat. We are trying to keep it healthy, so I'm using low fat yogurt, low fat mayonnaise, and low fat cream. I have used fresh coriander here. I know many of you don't like coriander, so you can use parsley instead. Then you can use fresh garlic as well. Whenever I'm making any recipe, I always try to keep the ingredients very simple and basic so anyone and everyone can make it. If you don't have Italian seasoning, you can use any mixed dried herb that you have in your kitchen and just make the marinade. Now you can do this two ways. Either you can just marinate the chicken, and once it's marinated, you can separately freeze them into Ziploc bags and you can take them out and cook them whenever you want. Or you can cook them straight away into your air fryer, in your oven, or in your pan. If you're cooking this in your pan, make sure to cover it for some time so you can cook the chicken through. These are big pieces of chicken breast and they take time to cook. So these took like 30 minutes altogether. Once the chicken is cooked, let it cool down and store it in the fridge for up to 5 days. And I hope you enjoy it.